Dear visitors, the Tajiks as an ancient Aryan civilization have given rise to outstanding figures in every sphere of intellectual and cultural life. Among them are such illustrious luminaries like Rudaki, Ferdowsi, Avicenna, and numerous other eminent scholars whose exceptional and influential works have made a significant contribution in the advancement of world scholarship and human civilization. In this context, in his 2025 annual address, the founder of Peace and National Unity, leader of the nation, President of the Republic of Tajikistan, respected Imam Ali Rahman, placed a particular emphasis on the greatest masterpiece of a classical Persian Tajik literature, the Shahnameh. Within the permanent exhibition halls of the Department of Ancient and Medieval History of the National Museum of Tajikistan, a remarkable collection of manuscript treasures is on display, the majority of whom authors and calligraphers are of Tajik origin. Abulqasim Ferdowsi, which was born in Tus, is the celebrated author of the most renowned national epic of the Iranian peoples, the Shahnameh. The lithographic edition was printed in 1314 AH or 1897 AD, is currently exhibited at the National Museum. The particular distinction of this volume lies in its artistic richness. It contains more than 50 finely executed illustrations integrated throughout the text, reflecting the aesthetic sophistication of the manuscript tradition. Distinguished visitors, for deeper understanding of the Shahnameh and the written heritage of a Tajik people, you are most welcome to visit the National Museum.